goodies, Blue Ducky, and today I am going out on my toy hunt. I am super excited, hoping to see a lot of new toys. Going to Build-A-Bear. I really want to get that new How to Train Your Dragon bear, and hopefully since the new season 6 of My Little Pony has premiered, they will have new My Little Pony toys too. So the first stop is going to be Toys R Us, so we'll see you guys inside. Okay, so in Toys R Us, here is the shopping section. They have a lot of stuff. I like these Beetles. Looks like they got more Num Num packs in. Check it out. And they have some Series 2 Tsum Tsums. Look at that one, the Bambi. I like that one. So cute. And they also have this amazing backpack. I like that a lot. Oh, and they have a Pooh lip smacker. What flavor is it? Honey? That's cute. I don't remember ever seeing this before, but it's a well-pinned hotel for soft spots. That's cool. Wow. Come in, you can fit inside. Okay, now checking the pony aisle. They have a lot more of the Luna. Whoa. Oh, they have little My Little Pony micro lights. That's so cute. Let's see. It looks like they just have the main 6. Lots of blind bags everywhere right now. Oh, look! What is this? Power ponies? Okay, so I'm in the Disney aisle. I was looking for Alice Through the Looking Glass dolls. I didn't see any. But they have these really cute little mini princesses. Look how cute they are. Look at the tiny Kristoff. He's so cute. Okay, so let's look at this aisle with Ever After High. The section is getting smaller. I don't see anything new. So, Monster High. They do have the 2-pack. Oh, look, they have the Series 2. Look, Caddy and Elizabeth and Operetta. Mega Block Series 2. And they moved the MC Squared and the Brats down to the beginning of the aisle. Look how cool they look. And then here are the Brats, which are 20% off right now. Cool. And then they have the really nice limited edition 2-pack of Journey Girls. I think they're so pretty. Here's the very small section of Star Darlings. And then Disney Descendant dolls got pushed back to an end cap. But look, they have this so cool Tokidoki neon star thing. Wow. It's luggage. It has it looks nail decals, body tattoo, nail polishes inside. Oh look, they have some more Tokidoki stuff. This really cool Unicorno backpack, and then there's Donatella. What's this? Beauty cake. Oh my goodness, this is really cool. Oh, look at the mini backpack. That is adorable. And look in the Skylander section, they have the special egg-sided Thrillipede. Check him out. He looks super cool. And here in the Disney Infinity section, they have all the Marvel Battleground stuff, which I got sent to me, and if you haven't seen that review, make sure to go check it out. It's really cool. All the figures and the set and the Power-Disc pack is really awesome. And here's a look at the Disney Amiibos they have. Ooh, I've never seen this one before. Look how cool. And I also have Series 3 of Animal Crossing now. Okay, Toys R Us in the Star Wars section, and they have a ant farm. And this is so weird because I've been lately thinking about ant farm and thinking I never had one before and it'd be cool. and this one is Star Wars themed. And then they have the room light. And then they have the Black Label Kylo Ren. He looks really cool. I want this one a lot too. And they also have these Funko Fabrications of Groot, Baymax, and Thor. And they're on sale right now for $10. That's really good. Ooh, I like Baymax. He's like leather. Here's a look at the Minecraft stuff, and they have 3 whole cases of the obsidian. And all these little sets. Shearable sheep is amazing. And they also have these little Minecraft figures from the Obsidian series. And they also have little like Nintendo plushies here. They have Nook, Tom Nook, Star Fox, and the little guy from Pikmin. Check him out. Wow, they got Warcraft figures now for the movie. Oh my goodness, this looks so cool. They have the Griffin in there and the Dire Wolf. And then they have Duro Hammer, Axe of Durotan. It's pretty cool. I'm excited for this movie. Alright, now I'm in the Disney and Pixar aisle here, which Minions still have like so many toys still. But these sets I think are new for the Jungle Book, Baloo and Mowgli, and King Louie and Kaa. And then finally there is the Shere Khan and Bagheera set. Ooh, Shere Khan looks cool in this set. Oh my gosh, there is a blue ducky in here. Oh, it's a blue ducky. Okay, so I just got out of Toys R Us, and Max got some of those Funko Fabrications since he really likes them. They're on sale. We got Groot, we got Baymax, a Daryl Dixon from The Walking Dead, who is mine, and Thor. And then I did end up getting the Jakku Ant Farm because I don't know. I don't know what came about, but I just, like a week ago, decided I want an ant farm, and I was looking online and I didn't buy anything, but then I saw this and it was 25% off, and I love Star Wars, so I'm really excited. It looks cool. So yeah, I got this. And then I got some packs of the Amiibo Series 3 cards. Yay! Okay, and now on to Target and the mall and Hot Topic and Build-A-Bear and the Disney store, and I'll see you in there. Okay, I'm going into Target. I'm gonna use the Force. Ah. Okay, and now I'm gonna check out trading card section. Ooh, let's see. Ooh, what is this? It's a Shopkins little lunch thing that has 200 stickers. And they have the Poppycorn, and they have the Strawberry Kiss. And here are the rest of the trading cards. They have the Yokai Watch dog tags, and they have the, oh yes, the Season 3 collector cards, like we covered in Toy Talk. Awesome, they're out right now. And then, let's see, Series 2 Star Wars trading cards. Look, they have the little puzzle erasers in Star Wars. And they also have magnets, erasers, and fashion tags for Shopkins. Okay, in Target, here is the one toy aisle. Oh, they have the surprise crystal surprise babies. Look at this. I've never seen this Shopkin as a plush before. That's so cute. And then there's the LPS. Ooh, the buffalo. And here's a look at the Disney Descendants, Ever After High, and Monster High dolls that they have at this Target right now. We have all those vinyls, and then the Bratz, and finally the MC Squared. Oh, and a few little DC Superhero Girls things. Alright, heading into Build-A-Bear. I'm so excited. I'm going to, if they have it. Oh yay! They have it. Barf and Belch. Check them out. And here's a look at the rest. I like the football bear. So cute. Star Wars bears. Huh? Oh yeah. They have the Horseman Hearts Riding Club coming soon. All the bunnies. Oh, the bunny with the rainbow ears is cute. Care Bears. Oh my god, this is new. Whoa. Look at him. Triceratops. With those eyes, man. These feel good.
Feel good? Alright. So pick your heart in the bin. We have the fabric hearts. Those are free. I also have the heart beats if you like the sensation of the heart beats. And warm it up. Nice and shake it up and down. Get that heart started. Give the heart a big kiss. Make a giant wish. Biggest wish ever. Alright, heart inside. And would you like to add any scents to it?
No thanks.
Alright, this will take me a moment and I'll be ready to give it. Alright, so give him a bath. Smile.
He's so cute. Okay, so I'm in Hot Topic now, and oh my goodness, they have Big Hero 6, Tsum Tsum, and Disney Figural Keyrings. This is so awesome! And the other, oh, they have Pokemon up there. They're so cute. But look, this cool. And then they have the Superpowers Figural Keyring. That's so cool. Check it out. Oh, look at this. This is cool. They have the crystal. Oh, they have Amethyst and Steven and Pearl. Alright, next place is the Disney store. Alright, let's go over to, the Rapunzel section. Check it out. Very cute. They have Disney animators. So many now. And so cute. I love the sets. I can't wait for the next ones to come out. Here is the Star Wars section at Disney Store. It looks so cool. And then we have the big Frozen section with all the dolls and accessories and dresses. Ooh, that's a cool bag. And here's the Tsum Tsum section. This bag is really cool. I like the stitch. Yeah, but ladies' hooded one-piece pajamas. I got Winnie the Pooh and Lion King and Tangled. And I still have the little Tsum Tsum collectible figures. And here's the Star Wars Tsum Tsums. I want them to make a Kylo Ren one. I got out of the mall, and other than Barf and Belch, which you saw that I got at the Build-A-Bear, I also went a little, well, actually, Max went a little crazy on the blind bags at Hot Topic. We got 3, well, no. We didn't get 3 of these. We got a whole case of these Tsum Tsums to open with you guys, which is like 18. And then we have 3 of the Big Hero 6 Figural Keyrings, and then 3 of the Inside, well, no, it's not Inside Out. They have a lot of characters for Inside Out, but it's the new Disney ones. They're so cute. So I can't wait to open those with you guys. Thank you guys so much for joining me on my toy hunt. I hope you enjoyed seeing all the awesome toys. And yeah, I'll see you guys later. So bye.